8 दिन 5 देश और 2 कॉन्टिनेंट्स। PM Narendra Modi is on a 5-nation visit from July 2 to 9 on what is his longest foreign tour in 10 years. PM मोदी का पहला 5 देशों का दौरा 2016 में हुआ था जब उन्होंने यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स, मैक्सिको, स्विट्जरलैंड, कतर और अफगानिस्तान की यात्रा की थी। But did you know what's on the Prime Minister's agenda and which countries is he visiting this time? We'll tell you about that in this video. तो 2 से 3 जुलाई को पीएम मोदी की यात्रा शुरू होगी घाना से, जहां पर वो घाना के प्रेसिडेंट के साथ द्विपक्षीय वार्ता करेंगे। The two leaders will also review the strong bilateral partnership and discuss further avenues to enhance it through economic, energy and defense collaboration and development cooperation partnership. ये पीएम मोदी की घाना की पहली bilateral visit है। This prime ministerial visit from India to Ghana is taking place after 3 decades. This visit will strengthen India's engagement with the ECOWAS, that is Economic Community of Western African States, and the African Union. घाना के बाद पीएम मोदी रुक करेंगे ट्रिनिडाड एंड टोबैगो का। He will pay an official visit to the country from July 3 to 4. प्रधानमंत्री के रूप में पीएम मोदी की TNT की ये पहली यात्रा होगी। This will also be the first bilateral visit at the prime ministerial level to TNT since 1999. यात्रा के दौरान पीएम मोदी TNT की प्रेसिडेंट क्रिस्टीन कार्ला कैंगलू और प्रधानमंत्री कमला प्रसाद बिसेसर के साथ वार्ता करेंगे। The Prime Minister is also expected to address a joint session of the Parliament of TNT. Next stop for PM Modi would be Argentina. 4 से 5 जुलाई को पीएम मोदी अर्जेंटीना की ऑफिशियल विजिट पर रहेंगे, जहां पर वो प्रेसिडेंट हावियर मिले के साथ बायलैटरल टॉक्स करेंगे। The bilateral visit of Prime Minister will further deepen the multifaceted strategic partnership between India and Argentina. Moving on to the fourth leg of PM Modi's visit, he will have an extended stay at Brazil from July 5 to 8. The Prime Minister will attend the 17th BRICS Summit 2025, followed by a state visit at the invitation of Brazil President Luiz Inácio Lula da Silva. The 17th BRICS Leader Summit will be held in Rio de Janeiro. समिट के दौरान पीएम मोदी की ग्लोबल इश्यूज पर विचारों का आदान प्रदान करेंगे। This will include reform of global governance, peace and security, strengthening multilateralism, responsible use of artificial intelligence, climate action, global health, economic and financial matters. He is also likely to hold several bilateral meetings on the sidelines of the summit. For the state visit to Brazil, PM Modi will travel to Brasilia. He will hold bilateral discussions with President Lula on the broadening of the strategic partnership between the two countries. आखिर में 9 जुलाई को पीएम मोदी नमीबिया की स्टेट विजिट पर रवाना होंगे। ये पीएम मोदी की पहली नमीबिया यात्रा होगी और भारत की तरफ से नमीबिया के लिए तीसरी प्राइम मिनिस्टीरियल विजिट। PM Modi will hold bilateral talks with President Nandin Daitwa during his visit. The Prime Minister will also pay homage to the founding father and first president of Namibia, late Dr. Sam Nujoma. He is also expected to deliver an address at the Parliament of Namibia. It's a long visit for PM Modi, a visit aimed at strengthening India's engagement with key nations in the global south. If you like this video, do share it with your friends and family.